Oil prices have soared to the highest level since July 2008 after the U.S. said it was discussing a potential ban on Russian supplies with other countries. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, rose to above $139 a barrel before easing to around $130. Energy markets have been rocked in recent days over supply fears triggered by the Russian military operation in Ukraine. Consumers are already feeling the impact of higher energy costs as fuel prices and household bills jumped. Petrol and diesel prices have already soared, and another rise of about 12% is still likely according to experts. The crisis continues to cast a shadow over share markets. The main stock exchanges in France and Germany sank more than 4% in early trading, while London's Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 was more than 2% down. That came after a fall Asia, with Japan's Nikkei closing down by almost 3%. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong trading 3.6% lower. The price of gold, a haven in troubled times for investors looking for security, hit $2,000 an ounce for the first time in almost 18 months. On Sunday, the U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said the Biden administration and its allies were discussing a ban on Russian oil supplies. Later on, U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi said the chamber was exploring legislation to ban the import of Russian oil and that Congress this week intended to enact a $10 billion of aid for Ukraine in response to Russia's military operation. The House is currently exploring strong legislation that will further isolate Russia from the global economy, Ms. Pelosi said in a letter. The comments came as pressure grows on the White House and other Western nations to take tougher action against Moscow over its military operation in Ukraine.